We learned how to create multiple objects easily. Let's remove the interface part. Now, think about this. We need to create an object that is a little bit different from the objects we can create with the person class. We want an object that has all properties and methods of our previous object so we can use them, but also we want our new object has additional properties or additional methods. How can we do this? The solution is to create a new class, and that class extends our previous class. So the previous class we will be the parent class and our new class will be the child class. So let's create our child class. So our child class, we name this employee, extends our previous class, our parent class, person. Okay, so this properties is okay. We want to add new property like job title. It will be string type. Then in each class, first we define the properties, then we use constructor to initialize them, then our method. So the next is constructor and our parameters. Here we see error. Error is shows constructors for derived classes, means the child class, must contain a super call. We'll talk about super. What is the super method or super keyword? So our parameters here will be same, name, string, then just copy paste. It will be the same, but we have another new parameter for this job title. We add also this one. Then inside constructor, we are going to initialize, let's see the parent class. In parent class, we initialize the properties like this. But in child class, if we are going to initialize them, we don't repeat that. We use super keyword. And see, we have to follow this parameters. Super in the child class refers to the parent class. By using super, we can access the properties and methods of the parent class. So super will be name only, then age, then is employed, and hobbies. Then we have another new property in our child class, so we need to initialize that. So we use same as the before, like here, job title in this object will be job title parameter. Then we want to have new method also for our new class. So we can implement here. Our new method here is describe job. Okay. And it will return something like this. This dot name, this dot name works as a this dot job title. Okay, so person was our parent class. Then we extend that class and we call it employee, and we add additional property job title, and also we add additional method describe job. Then inside constructor we initialize our new property job title, and we call the parent class by using keyword super to get the initialize part of constructor part of the parent class. Okay, now let's create our new objects. So I just remove these parts. So const employee one will be new object from employee, and we also have const employee 2 from new object from employee class, and 5 arguments we need to give to this class. So the name is the first. We just copy paste this one, and The last is job title. So job title, we give developer. Okay. Then our second object, we copy this from previous object, and the job title here will be for Alex, will be designer. Okay. Now let's console. Console.log employee one. From employee one, we want to see the greet message. Then also we want console.log employee one dot describe job. Which method again? We do same for employee two. Okay. Let's compile and run tsc sample.ts, then node sample.js. So, hello, my name is Denis. Denis works as a developer. Hello, my name is Alex. Alex works as a designer. Okay, so what we did here, we had a class, then we create another class, but we extend that class, the previous class, and we add additional properties and additional method. We implement them, and we also initialize for previous initialize part of the parent class. We use keyword super, and we also initialized our new properties, and we create our objects and we console them. In the child class, we can also change the methods from the parent class. It means we can, when we define our method inside the class, our child class, inside the employee class, we can change this one. We can change this method of parent class here. So let's change it. For example, we don't want this. We want something else for greet, but same name. So we want, for example, we change this to something else, like hi, I'm okay, I'm this, then, and I work as a start job title. Okay, So let's compile and see what's the changes. Compile and run. See? Now our greet message changed, right? Because we changed here. So hi, I'm Dennis and I work as a developer. Hi, I am Alex and I work as a designer. So what we did, we just changed the method of parent class in child class. We change how we wanted. And the last point to know is about super. So here we use super keyword. It's calling the constructor of person class and its parameters. We can we can also use super to access the methods of parent class by using something like this. For example, in grid, just want to change this. Like, for example, we change this to super means parent class, then see automatically shows grid. Okay, we can access to methods of parent class in this way, super and the name of method in parent class. So we can, because it's return, so we can join it to like I am an employee, just that. So let's see how it looks. See, the greet message change. Hello, my name is Dennis. I am an employee. So this super greet, it shows the message from this grid. Hello, my name is, and this part is this part. I am an employee. Okay, that's for about inheritance in TypeScript, how we extend one class and we use or reuse our code and we create our new class. We add additional properties, we add additional methods in our new class so we can create our favorite new objects.